Hello everyone, welcome back to the Weekend Off-Roading channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a DIY wire mesh Molle panel here. I wanted to do this project because there's a huge gap here that's not utilized. So I wanted to make a Molle panel, and there are a few Molle panels available for the CRV, the 04 to 06 or the 03 to 06 CRVs, but they do cost a lot of money. So what I've done here is I got a wire mesh, cut it to size, and then I also attached it using suction cups with screws. So the reason why I'm using suction cups is because I'm not going to put anything too heavy on these wire meshes. And then from there, it's just easy to remove if I do need to remove it. It's a very affordable DIY. Again, all the parts will be linked down below. All you need really is just going to be a wire mesh and then the suction cups. And then I did add these bungee cords for things to add on. And I'll show you what it looks like here with a roll of paper towel just added on, because that's what I plan to hook it onto, or anything else really that I want. Nothing too heavy, because again, it's only held on with suction cups, but it does do the jobs, and it should hold fine for a while. And I'll update the video if I do want to change it up or anything. So here it is with a paper towel just hooked on using one of the straps I have there. I'm gonna add some more straps, but it does hold on quite well, as you can see here. It doesn't move as much. And with this, I have some additional storage space. So I only put it on the driver side, or on the left side, because I don't really use this window to look at to look over my shoulder or to check my blind spots. So this is the perfect side to this project on. On the left side, I use that window to check my blind spot, so I'm not going to put anything on there. But this is perfect for what I need it to do. So again, all the parts are going to be down below. It's a very easy, budget-friendly project just to add some additional space to your CRV or whatever other vehicle that you have. With that, let me know if this helps you. I'll talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.